This is the latest device from SoSoul, the Airmez.
Airmez.
Amazing.
Oh, it's got that kind of je ne sais quoi, hasn't it?
Yeah. It's something about it.
Wow.
AJ,
Emare.
the latest device from SoSoul. Let's drop down and take a look.
Boom.
Boom sheen. This is a 20mm disposable or 10,000 puff, depending on how you want to look at it. The power in this one is a 650 milliamp hour battery, which is USB-C chargeable. Nicotine options, well, we've got 20 mg or 50 mg. And there is a huge variety of e-liquids. I've got some of them in front of me and we'll run through those in just a second. But one of the main features you're going to want to know about is this has a display screen for your e-liquid and battery. So you get a live update of exactly what you've got left. It uses a mesh coil and launching with 12 flavors. This range will see you a solid 2 weeks. 10,000 puffs. It's about 16 days if you go off the basis of 600
That's pretty
puffs.
insane. So a big kind of like caveat, pin it right at the start is obviously not TPD compliant. This is for our viewers not inside the EU, of which there are
stateside bros.
Many hundreds of thousands of you.
Look, our biggest audience is US of A.
Yes, of the A. What is the A?
A
Yes.
is awesome on Spotify.
Ah, yes.
So if you guys are listening on Spotify and you're going, oh, bro, you don't do enough of the big puffs. Finally, I have got a device for you. And this one, Kiwi Dragon Fruit Berry, that's not the one I wanted to pick up, AJ. You read them out.
Yeah,
and then
let me tell you what flavours we have. How many flavours did you say were in total again?
Right, they've launched with an initial 12, but as we know with SoSoul, they've got a huge catalogue in their disposable range, so we're likely to see more following up.
So of the 6 from the 12 we have here, we have, going from this side to the other side, Kiwi Dragonberry, Orange Mango, Rainbow Clouds, Cranberry Grape, Pineapple and Coconut, and Cherry Straz. What have you gone for?
I went for the cranberry.
Cranberry and grape. Interesting. Well, I'm going to go then for Rainbow Clouds. I have to say, I'm not usually a fan of screens on disposable vapes. I always think it's a bit wasteful, but this kind of old school LCD thing, kind of quite cool.
I like the fact that you get that live update.
Most importantly, you were just going to say it. Sorry, I jumped in. The e-liquid level.
Yeah.
You get anxious about it.
I get really anxious. I can't leave the house with a disposable that I've already been using if I'm going out for the evening. My thinking is always, if it runs out, then I've got nothing. So if I've already been using it, I'll leave it kind of relaxed on the side and just grab a new one. I know that's not great, but at least I know it's going to last me the whole evening. So with something like this, where you've got a live update, that's great. I know I'm not going to run out of battery. I know I'm not going to run out of juice. And the display is super bright. I'm going to try and puff down low so you can get a good shot of it.
I won't tell him that I've already shown everyone. I'd just like to see him get uncomfortable.
I'm holding it the wrong way. Hold on.
Again, I won't tell everyone that I've already shown them the screen. Just like to see Pete get uncomfortable.
But I like it. I like it.
It's cool.
It doesn't hurt to show it again.
It's a... What's the nicotine strength in this? It feels very strong.
Okay, so we're on 5%, 50 mg. So again, it's based on the audience needs.
Yeah, okay. That's why it's gone straight to my head.
There is 2% also available.
Why didn't you buy the 2%?
Look, if we're covering it for the American audience, then we've got a vape like the American audience, bro.
Yeah. Wow. Bro.
Yeah.
In the United States of whatever.
Yeah. Clouds, bro.
And if you want to look like me in a Clouds Bro Clouds kind of way, then you can by buying this t-shirt.
Or, ironic, t-shirts like this, check atomizer. It doesn't really go with a disposable because you don't need to check anything.
Don't have to check a thing.
Just check it's charged. Check it's charged. That could be my next t-shirt.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
But for now.
And other ironic vaping t-shirts are available and they go some way to supporting this beautiful work that we do here.
Mainly.
I haven't seen any of the money yet though. Where's that gone?
It will come eventually as it trickles through. It fills up the benevolence fund, and once that fills the cup entirely, it should flush through to other things.
It'd be good if it would be good because I've got watches to buy and stuff.
Yeah. Well, I think we've done enough of that. Okay, so we're going to calm that down.
Right. Okay.
Sell some more T-shirts. Keeps the tea, the coffee flowing.
Yes.
Snack jar.
Snack jar. I like the snack jar.
Yeah. AJ, what were you vaping on?
I can't remember. Cherry.
That's what happens with 5%.
I know.
You really can't handle it.
It's. I've gone. I'm gonna done the rainbow one. You've done that one. Let's do pineapple coconut because that's the weirdest one here. Coconut vapes. Can we just have a moment for the coconut vapes?
I was on the orange mango doing some vape tricks. Aircon kind of ruined it. They're really sweet flavors, so they're going to be perfect for beginners. I didn't realize that in America, they're huge, these devices.
Are they?
They love their big puffs. They love their display screens. And like us, they're loving these sweet flavors.
Well, pineapple coconut's an unusual one. It's very sweet.
Let's jump in.
Almost tastes a bit like that rummy drink that you can buy.
Oh, there's somebody at the door. And AJ, run, AJ. He's going as fast as he can. But while he gets the door, I've got pineapple coconut. The rum drink he was talking about, it's very, very accurate. It looks like you've got part of the design here that is battery and part that's juice chamber. And I wouldn't be surprised if that is something like the battery size, being around 600 milliamp hours. Nice little display screen to the front there. And then this huge juice well, 20 mils. You can't really see the liquid inside very clearly, but again, you don't particularly need to when you've got such a big display screen. So let's jump in with one of these other flavors here. Cherry Straz. What is a Straz? AJ? Oh, you're not there. You're getting the door. But if you were there, you go, oh, I don't know, Pete. You tell me. I've never had a Cherry Straz, AJ.
Wait for me to get back because it's obviously going to get cut out.
I've jumped in on Cherry Straz.
It's a weird one, isn't it?
What is a Straz?
I think it's some kind of strawberry or maybe...
It definitely has a strawberry flavour. There's a lot of sweetness there that overrides the cherry.
What did you go on the pineapple coconut one?
I like it, but it's
very unusual, isn't it?
It is a bit cocktaily.
Out of the 5 or 6, that we have, your favourite, Pete's?
So, let me get the name right. Orange Mango.
Oh, I haven't tried that one.
The orange is really strong, like a blood orange. So you've got tons of flavour. And the mango's just there at the end, just carries that through. Yeah, really nice flavour.
Not so much mango, and I like that, because I don't really like mango vapes.
The main thing for me is I like the lip feel. The ergonomics of it are really nice. You've got this interesting battery design to one side.
Yeah.
Obviously, a huge 20mm tank.
Yep.
Display screen down the bottom, and it's chargeable. So you've got a constant update on battery and juice state. I like that. I wish we had something like that in the TPD range.
Yeah.
Not quite, and unfortunately, we're probably going to see that phased as pods come through. But can you imagine one of these as a pod system? That's the next innovation.
Literally just thinking that. A pre-filled pod for this pops, slides in and out, I think would be perfect. And then we would see them in the in TPD UK as well.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Lovely range, really nicely presented, really nice feel and finish. That is the latest offering from SoSoul Airmez.
Are you amazed at Airmez?
I'm Airmezed.
Airmezed.
At this t-shirt, AJ.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yeah. Did you know that I actually picked this up from the link below a video just like this?
No way.
Yeah, and whatever device you're on right now, if you're watching on a phone, turn it over so the screen goes small. That's it. You can still see me. Now, see that link? Hit it. Go and buy a t-shirt. Make it rain.
That's amazing.
For me.
And if you don't want to make it rain, but you do want to show your love to us, then, of course, like the video, leave a comment telling Pete how much he is amazing.
Yeah, and subscribe.
And subscribe to the channel too.
Oh, and you could really make it rain by joining channel memberships. I don't know, how to convince you to do that, but, imagine this. I like money.
That's not good. That's not good.
So,
No, not good. Nope. Try another one.
Okay.
Maybe heartstrings this time.
Imagine this.
Yeah.
I've always dreamed of having a Ferrari.
No, not good either. No. Try appealing to their kind of sense of support and community.
Okay. We've also got channel memberships where every pound raised will go into my bank account and make me more comfortable.
No. That's okay. So, there's that available too. And until the next time, we'll keep working on our plugs.